Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download voice message in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is simply open your Messenger app and see whether there is a download option for your voice message or not. Simply tap a chat and tap on the voice message. You can only find that you can share it with someone or you can remove or forward it to someone. So there is no fixed way to download an audio clip or voice message on Facebook. However, to get the voice message, you can simply scroll down the taskbar and simply tap on the screen recording. So once you tap on screen recording, you can play the voice note and simply record it or in a format download it in your device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.